What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a tpms relearn, and we're working on a 2015 Ford Transit. If this video helps you out, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. I know it was really hard for me to figure out how to do this because the owner's manual gives you the wrong information. So I'm going to go over how to do it the correct way. The first thing you want to do is you want to inflate all the tires a little bit higher than where they need to be set at, and then you're going to make sure the ignition's off, and you're going to press and release the brake pedal, and then you're going to put the key in the ignition and you're going to cycle it on and off 3 times, ending in the run position. Then you're going to press and release the brake pedal again. Then you're going to turn the ignition off. Then you're going to cycle the ignition on and off 3 times, ending in the run position. And the horn should sound. Then you're going to do each tire. You're going to let a little bit of air out of each tire, and the horn will honk when the vehicle has read the tpms sensor. I have a tool here, so I don't need to let the air out of the tire. I'm just going to use the tool that I got. You're going to go from the left front to the right front, to the right rear, and each time the horn should honk. You're going to do the last tire, which is the left rear, and you got to do it in this order. They all honked. Then you turn the ignition off, and if it doesn't honk, the procedure was done correctly. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.